Guys, after natin ma-review ang Samsung Odyssey R, here comes another one from Samsung and it's called the Samsung Freestyle. It's a very small na projector which can project up to 100 inches ang size ng kanyang screen. I've seen quite a good number of reviews dito sa product na ito, and how about buksan natin, pakita ko sa inyo din. Hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So kita natin, it's really small. Itong Samsung the Freestyle. It's a very portable na projector na madaling bitbitin, no? Actually, kita mo, hawak-hawak ko dito sa aking kamay, no? It's really small. Bumungad sa atin is this small box, pagwas natin. Inside, we have some manuals and user guide. Isang Samsung na super fast charger. Madalang mo itong makita, no, sa mga smartphone ni Samsung. B2C cable, and yung kabilang side niya is naka-angle. Siyempre, andito na yung main course. Ang the Freestyle. Lito. Guys, wow. Bubuksan muna natin itong kanyang protection cover and makita mo everything is here. Kanyang camera lens is here, mga sensors is here. And meron siyang standing na base, no, na gawa sa bakal. Ang katawan is made out of plastic. Itong likod niya is kanyang speaker. Dito sa gilid ang kanyang Type-C na input, ang kanyang micro HDMI port, and of course, ang kanyang mic switch. And ang last thing dito sa loob ng box is, of course, ang kanyang remote. Samsung TV Plus, andyan ang kanyang Netflix, si Prime Video, and of course, si Disney Plus. So, to try natin to right now sa ating 100-inch na projector screen na meron ko from Vivid Storm. Tingnan natin ko how nice this one will be able to give me experience, yung sounds, and yung overall na entertainment experience dito sa Samsung the Freestyle. Now, tumawag itong Samsung the Freestyle na projector natin. It's so easy. Lalagay mo na sa table and just simply project it kung anong angle mo, and very easy sarili niya i-calibrate yung screen on its own. Automatic siya. Wala ka na halos pipindutin. All you need to do is just focus it and yun lang. Pwede mo na siyang gamitin. First, ikabit muna natin ang adapter. Next, tanggalin muna natin itong takip. Of course, press na natin ang power button. So, makita mo nag-project na siya. So, I was able to calibrate it a little while ago, pero papakita ko sa inyo how to calibrate this thing. Now, one of the good things dito is pwede mo project sa harap, sa gilid, and even sa kisame. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano itsura sa kisame. Though, pwede nyo gawin habang nakahiga kayo, gusto nyo manood ng movie, but, well, I wouldn't really do that. For the benefit na makita natin ano itsura, pakita ko lang sa inyo. I-tilt lang natin sa ibabaw. And ganito itsura niya pag naka-project sa kisame. And ibabalik na natin. Basically, yung screen natin is a 100-inch na screen from Vivid Storm. And papakita ko sa inyo, no, there's mga recommended na distance na kailangan mo alamin para magamit mo ng fully to its full extent ang itong Samsung the Freestyle na projector. Nakatingin ako dito sa website ni Samsung. Sabi niya 0.8 meters gives you a 30-inch screen, 1.5 meter gives you a 55-inch screen, 1.7 meter gives you a 65-inch screen, 2 meters gives you a 75-inch screen, and 2.7 meters gives you a 100 inches na screen. So right now, ito turn off na natin lights natin. So I'm roughly mga 2.3 meters. So, around nasa 80 inches ang screen natin. Of course, kailangan ko i-negate konti kasi meron tayong mga gamit dito sa gilid. So, forgive me for that. So, let's just focus ourselves. So, basically, right now, we have turned off all our lights. And here, on my point of view, masasabi ko sa inyo, guys, it's very clear. Now, just want to show you some settings dito. All you need to do is just go over to the menu and just pull out everything here. Andito yung mga settings niya. Support, Wi-Fi, keystone. Ang gusto ko dito sa kanya, no, sarili siya nagka-calibrate yung keystone niya. So, kung tabingi ang yung screen, sarili niya i-adjust. Tingnan natin just like this, no. Let's say, patungin ko to para medyo tumabingi siya. Yan. Makita mo, auto. Yan. Tingnan mo, nag-calibrate siya on its own, no. Naging square siya agad. So, balik natin. Yan. So, galing, no. I mean, it's very impressive na sarili niyang ina-adjust on its own. Itong auto keystone dito sa Samsung the Freestyle. Now, itong focus, pwede natin i-calibrate, either go for auto or manual. So, Pwede tayo mag-autofocus. Ayan. Yan ang pinaka-best na marirecommend niya, no? But ako, I always go for manual focus. So, para mas focus siya. Ito, for me, based sa aking mata, ang pipindutin lang natin, it's either you go left, 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 or right, right, right sa focusing. Yan, this is the most focus, no, for me, on my point of view. Now, you can also scale and move your screen. So, you can scale, no, depende sa ano gusto nyo. Yung screen nyo, depende sa requirement mo, no. So, then, pwede ka mag-calibrate ng yung picture mode. Either go for movie mode, you go for dynamic mode, standard. I think I'll go for dynamic. Then, picture setup. Ayan, pwede nyo yung setup, no. So, pwede kayo mag-adjust ng contrast and brightness. Okay? So, max brightness tayo, 40 ang contrast, sharpness natin, no? Then, color tint. So, basically, na-calibrate na natin. And, what I can say dito sa all settings, pwede mong ilaro din mga picture mode natin. Either want to go for dynamic or other settings na gusto natin, no? So, nakita na naman natin a while ago, mga settings na to, no? So, you can set 16:9 or other screen size. So here is the sound. Meron siyang 360-degree sound dito sa projector na ito, which gives you really nice sounds. And I've tried it while watching some videos. Masasabi ko sa inyo guys na the sound is immersive. Okay, so kung hindi kayo na-contento sa sound, you can always put on a Bluetooth soundbar para mas better ang yung experience. But overall, masaya na ako dito. Okay, so like I said, either use the sound from the projector or you can connect your Bluetooth speaker. Sound mode, I would recommend you to always use yung amplified settings. It's just simply the network connection. You can always check your software update if up to date kayo. And you can always check in some control guide and e-manual here should you need it. Here is Samsung SmartThings. Pwede nyo i-connect. So it's a lot of devices from the Samsung na IoT. So you can connect all of your other gadgets here, like your phone, your laptop, and other things na, well, related. You can choose your workspace, either connect to a Windows PC, a Mac, or your Samsung na DX, or web services like Microsoft 365. Now, you can choose all of these ambience kung anong gusto nyo, no? Ambience mode. So, let's just say, gusto natin mood wave. Select lang natin, no, yung lighting. Yun ang magiging tone ng yung mood dito sa Samsung na okay, so sinet na natin. Okay, so mood waves. So, you can also enjoy some scenery should you like. Let's just say gusto mo yung projector sa inyong wall just to, well, let you feel na meron kang isang window, na meron kang sunset na nakikita outdoors. Or you can set it like you have a mountain outdoors. You can have that Christmas snowy feels dito sa outdoor na yung screen, which is pretty nice. There are some other things na pwede nyo project like prism, cinematograph, and some of your albums na gusto nyo i-calibrate, no? Which is pretty nice. Lalo na parang standby mode siya. Gives you that really nice experience, no? Lalo sa gabi, and you have your wall, na white wall, just simply want to project something. These are some really great choices. Now, going over to the media, there's some apps here na pre-installed. Tingnan na natin, no? Okay, so we have YouTube, Netflix, internet, well, basically it's browser, Prime Video, Disney Plus, Spotify, Apple TV, HBO Asia, YouTube Kids, View, I1TFC, Apple Music, some privacy Twitch, iQIYI, Plex, Gallery, TV Cast, Weverse, WeTV. So those are mga pre-installed. So this is some of the new one. Okay, Flix, IPTV, Kinomaniac, ZEES, Okay, so may mga pre-installed. So you can also go for some games over here na mga pre-installed since may collaboration si Samsung. And of course, with all of these games na pwede na ilaro, just check some of the sports mode. So you can watch football. You can also watch some racing and tennis and a lot of sports here hidden dito sa sports mode. So you also have videos here na pwede na panoorin. There's a lot to choose from. And honestly, I can see sobrang dami niya, no? There's too much to choose from. There are some education, information, and lifestyle also hidden over here. Some apps to kill time and news and weather. Okay? This can make your life easier. So right now, let's just go over and try YouTube. So try lang natin manood ng NBA game dito, no?
Line up for the Warriors. This is a matchup that has gained attention throughout the NBA as Curry, a little too strong on the three. Here's Poole, inserted into the starting lineup a few games ago and hits the jumper. Has Steph Curry been ejected? Nearly fumbled the pass. Thompson, you bet! Klay Thompson delivers! Golden State takes the lead!
So guys, napansin nyo yung sound is really nice while I'm watching an NBA game. Itong speaker na to has a omnidirectional na 300-degree sound. 5 watts ang kanyang speaker, really giving you that immersive experience while watching the game, watching some of your favorite videos dito sa the Freestyle. Now, ang picture na nakikita natin, quality is 1080p, Full HD, pure color, and it's HDR compatible as well. So what's really nice dito is pwede rin natin i-cast ang ating phone dito sa Projector. Let's just simply try it. So nakita natin ang phone natin is trying to connect. Let's just simply allow it. Nakita na natin nakapag-connect na ang phone natin dito. So basically, you can do anything you want here. You simply just want to watch TikTok here sa project na ito. You can do so kasi it's so easy. And what's nice is responsive siya, no? Hindi siya, wala akong nakipapansin na delay sa kanya, which is definitely okay. Try din natin sa Facebook. Tingnan natin, no? Very responsive talaga siya, which is definitely nice. And I like it. There are some other TVs or projector, project mo using your phone. Mapapansin mo, nagde-delay siya, parang naglalag siya. But this one, sumasabay.
Bruce, please. I was wrong. You have to listen to me. Breathe it in.
Are going to stop that monster.
How? Look at us. We're adorable.
Oh!
Ah! Get it up! Get it up! Get it up!
So yan guys, nakita natin, everything na napanood natin dito is really clear at 1080p. Siguro, ang wish ko lang is probably they could have integrated 2K display dito. Might have been a lot better, especially when you're projecting to a 100-inch na screen sa projector, no? Might be better ang resolution, but 1080p is already okay for me. Could have been a better option lang kung meron kang 2K na display dito on this projector sa Samsung the Freestyle. Overall, I can say I'm quite happy with it, being able to watch some dark movies from Batman vs Superman, then watching some K-pop, watching some anime over here, watching some movies over here. And well, the experience is really nice, and even just watching some vlog of my own, well, overall, it's really nice. So guys, currently itong Samsung the Freestyle na smart projector is priced at around 47,000 sa official Samsung na website here in the Philippines. And I'll be linking everything on the description box below. Just simply check it out. And what I can say about itong Samsung the Freestyle na smart projector, it's a total entertainment package which pwede mong dalhin anywhere you go. Even kung gusto mo mag-presentation, kabit mo lang HDMI mo, you can simply project your screen, do your presentation, or just want to, well, go anywhere, outdoors, out of the country. It's so easy, it's so portable to bring this stuff. Hindi mo na kailangan ng TV if you have this Samsung the Freestyle smart projector. So guys, nakita na natin ang experience dito sa Samsung the Freestyle. I can say that it's a total entertainment package. Sobrang daling bitbitin. Kahit mag-abroad ka, bitbitin mo to, kabit mo lang dito ang yung PC, or probably just use yung by default na kung ano mga channels na pwede mong gamitin dito. Just hook it to the internet via Wi-Fi. Pwede ka na makanood ng kung ano mga channels na gusto mo. From Disney Plus to Prime Video to, of course, Netflix and some other channels na pwede mo install dito via Google Play Store. And if you want to do some presentation outdoors, let's say, pumunta ka sa ibang bansa, gusto mo mag-present, just simply plug this to your PC using a standard HDMI converter papuntang micro na HDMI, makapag-present ka na. Just project mo lang to, lahat ng presentation mo dito sa projector na ito, the Freestyle, solve mo yung problem. So guys, if you like to know kung saan nyo pwede mabili itong Samsung the Freestyle, I'll be linking everything on the description box below. If you want to find more information about this one, check this website from official Samsung. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na rin yung bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Watch out!